Hello everyone, myself Swapnil, and I'm one of them who always try to make money online without investment. And this is how you can see. This is the 20th November, and this is the minus 714, that is 714 in INR I receive. Because of why? Because the reward store give me a $10, and that $10 how I earn, I can show you here. See, this is the tab. Swagbucks is the website where I personally earn doing nothing like do as usual, like the search engine using like this search, and just like I just search how to make money online, and if I search it, so sometime it gives me a SB, but for now if it is give me, yeah, this time it is not. So like always you can do search, or you know daily routine, you can search this using engine, that search engine, and you will be get search SB, that is Swagbucks. Okay. And apart from that, if you see this section, earn 30 SB and get 3 SB, that is a bonus. If you earn per day 30 SB, then you will be get 3 SB as a bonus. 1 SB is equal to 1 cent. So basically, apart from this, like I mean, I can show you how you can earn this 30 SB. Here is options: daily poll, daily search. That is daily search means search engine. You using that like regularly, like Google. So here I think, yeah, this is the gold survey. You see, this is the answer section where you will be got a survey. See, this is the lots of surveys available like 250 SB, 38 SB. So kind of the SBs are available if you complete this survey, or I can say in a better way, if you are qualified this survey and completed that survey in under the such a kind of the minutes. Of course, not takes the 145 minutes as per the my personal experience. It takes almost 10 to 15 minutes, and you will be got to 250 SB if you are only qualified, because some surveys are not, it depends on survey, almost a region. Okay, so if you are one of them who regions are qualified, then you will be got a such SB. But remember, here the plus point is that even if you are disqualified, you will be get a survey bonus too, as a, like, at least minimum you will be got a 1 SB, that is worth of 1 cent. And I can show you the in one of the interesting way, that is if you just click here the daily poll and see. Here you can, daily poll means what, you will be just answer it, just which of the following candy bars do you prefer. You can select anything, like I don't eat candy bars, so if I select here vote, and if I vote it, you see 775 SBR was available, and right now the current balance is 776 SB. So after that, if it's reached 1000 SB, you can withdraw it by going here. See, this is the redeem your SB section, and here are the all rewards. Just click on that. See, this is the PayPal. You should have a PayPal account, otherwise you can't redeem it. Or you can choose another way to, if you wanna shop or like that. I personally use that PayPal for making money online without investment. So just click on that. Currently I don't have a 1000 SB, so it shows me like maybe the balance claim reward. If I click at that, see, they show me you need another 224 SB to redeem this reward. But I can show you, this is the here my account. If I go here, see, this is the order status. So in just a few days ago, that is the 12th of November, I was order created, and it is shipped just 18th of November. And that's how you see, this is in my PayPal account where this reward is created. If I click here, see, this is the 19th of November, and that is the reward store here. You see, this is the paid by reward store, and amount is $10. So that's it. I think I'm done here, and that's how as Swagbucks is giving you money without investment. So basically, I'm not completed survey. Whenever I got a free time, I completed survey. But that daily poll, I click daily because it just takes 1 single seconds to just click it, and that's all it. I mean almost under the 5 seconds. And I think I'm done here. If you have any query, let me know in comment box. But yeah, this is how you can earn decent amount of money online via PayPal. And if you would like to join, then I giving you description box link. If you interested, then just join it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care, and subscribe me. Don't forget to subscribe me. Keep smile.